e-commerce is just changing so quickly and so rapidly, you just can't stand still. So you've got to constantly keep evolving, learning, trialing and failing, and making improvements.
It's got to be part of your offering, and if it's not, then you're going to lose out on customers.
I'd say that successful business needs to follow consumer behaviour. And if you just look at yourself and how much that you use your phone or your computer to interact with brands, to start or complete your shopping experience, it's going to be definitely the number one touch point.
We're talking about ultra convenience, ultra speed, being able to serve, support and fulfill product and orders to customers no matter where they are in the globe, and that's really exciting.
It is a key channel that retailers will need to invest more into, but it has to be considered as a part of their holistic business strategy.
The e-commerce landscape is increasingly competitive, and if you don't have a strategy in place that's fully integrated with the rest of your business, you don't stand a chance against the competition.
I personally don't believe in a separated e-commerce strategy, and I would go as far as saying online is not a channel, it's a mindset.